I finally understand. And so all I want now is to spread the good news. When I was a child, you know, I fantasized about magic and stuff and shooting energy blasts out of my hands and fingertips. And, you know, I started to get older and think about different things. I remember specifically, what does it mean to be in a mood? What does it mean to be in a good mood? And don't say, oh, well, you know, your central nervous system is doing this, and then, you know, your brain chemicals are doing that. What does it mean to feel something? I always wanted in my 20s to have psychic powers. You know, how cool would it be to be able to affect things in reality without touching them, you know, lift it with your mind or whatever. And then I came across this thing called the double slit experiment. Okay, so now we're at the point in the video where anybody who is a scientific traditionalist is going to stop listening. But there's this thing called the measurement problem in quantum physics, which is that how come, A, you can't know where something is if you know how fast it's going, and B, measuring it affects where it is in that relationship. If you take anything, fingertip and move it across the screen, okay, it's going at 1 mile an hour, but I only know that it's going at 1 mile an hour because I can see it at 2 different distances over time, you know, and this will get you to the thinking that you need to understand the measurement problem. But I finally get it. I finally get it. Our consciousness is projected outward. And energy already exists. Therefore, energy and consciousness interact with each other. This is what I believe. And I pretty much, you know, am using the measurement problem as my proof. You know, when you look at something, the experience of your brain communicating with itself is creating an image, but that image actually exists. It's not in your brain. It's projected onto the energy that you are being aware of. This is the first law of science. This is the first new law of modern science. It's what it should be. And all science must be based around this.